Hello everyone, welcome to EduTap. So in today's session, we are going to discuss a very important finance news article that is regarding the RBI's first global hackathon, which happened in November 2021, but the results are out in June 2022. So now we will see that what are these results, in which category, which fintech, which company has won, which person has won. So we will see all of this in today's session and the problem statements that were given in the first global hackathon of RBI. So now before starting with the session, please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you are new to the channel and join our Telegram channel for the PDF of this session. And you can get the link of the Telegram channel in the description box below. So now starting with the news article, that is the result of RBI first global hackathon is out. So the first global hackathon was organized by RBI in November 2021 and the name of this hackathon was Harbinger 2021 Innovation for Transformation, and the theme for this hackathon was Smarter Digital Payments. That was digital payments, smarter digital payments was the focus of this hackathon. So RBI organized this hackathon and invited the participants to identify and develop the solutions so that the broader goal can be achieved. Okay, so that have solutions that have the potential to make the digital payments accessible to the people that are underserved, that do not have the digital ecosystem, that are not provided with the digital ecosystem. So even those people can get the digital ecosystem, get the accessibility to the digital payments. So this was a broader goal that has to be achieved through the developing the solutions, okay, on which the ideas has been invited. Next is enhancing the ease of payments so that the payments can become more easier to do, okay, and the user experience can be enhanced. Okay, sometimes what happens that the server is not working, the transaction is not happening, the internet connectivity is not very good, so the transaction stops or the money is stuck. So that to enhance, to make the payments more easy and to enhance the user experience, the broader goal is this also, as well as the strengthening the security. Security is a major concern because many of the people that are well educated, that are well aware, still they do not use the digital payments because they are not very secure. They do not feel very secure in the digital, through the digital payments. So strengthening the security of digital payments and promoting the customer protection so that even those people can feel secure. Everyone can feel secure doing the digital payments because it is the way forward for the country. It is the future of the country. So everyone should be included in that future. So these are the broader goals on which the ideas, innovative ideas has been invited so that these goals can be achieved. Okay, so the four problem statements were provided. The Harbinger 2021 invited the innovative ideas for 4 problem statements. The 4 problem statements were provided that the RBI said we want the ideas on these problem statements in the payment and settlement system landscape. So we will see that what were the problem statements and in each category which fintech or which company has won. So now the process on which the hackathon happened was that, and how many participants were there. So the hackathon received 363 proposals. That is a very huge number of proposals that RBI in the hackathon received and submitted by teams not only from India but from outside also. So the teams from within the India and from 22 other countries, they sent the proposal, they submitted the proposals, including the countries USA, UK, Sweden, Singapore, Philippines and Israel. So such big countries also submitted, like the participants or the people from those countries also submitted the proposals. Okay, and 22 other countries submitted the proposals, including all of these. So the hackathon ran in 3 phases. The first phase was the shortlisting of the proposals that were really very good. So shortlisting happened in the first phase. The second phase was the solution development, that under the external mentors, the solution was developed. The third phase was the final evaluation that happened in the third phase. So in the first phase, the preliminary screening happened, the initial evaluation happened and the proposals were shortlisted. In the second phase, the external mentors helped in, guided in developing the solutions for the shortlisted candidates, for the shortlisted proposals. The help was there also, the guidance was there also by the external mentors, and the shortlisted teams worked on developing their solutions for more than a month. The third phase of final evaluation was held on May 26-27, 2022 in Bangalore, where the finalist teams presented their solutions for the problem statements to the jury, and by June 2022 the result was out, and the evaluation and the selection of the winners happened on these basis. That is, the parameters were innovation, that is it really an innovative solution, is it really an innovative idea, technology, that is it really related to technology, because we are talking about digital payments, demonstration, that how the idea was demonstrated, that how realistic it is, user experience, is it talking about the broader goal of achieving user experience, is it talking about the broader goal of achieving security, and the ease of implementation should also be there, so that easily the RBI can implement the idea. So now coming to the results, these were the 4 problem statements that I will show you. The 2 problem statements are here. The first problem statement talked about the non-mobile payment, that how we can achieve this innovative and easy to use non-mobile digital payment solution for converting the small cash transactions to digital mode, the small transactions that are happening in the shops, we can say, in between the people, we can say, how can that be transferred to the digital mode without using the mobile phones. So because many of the people do not carry their mobile phones everywhere, or many of the people do not use their mobile phones everywhere, so how through non-mobile system the payment can happen. Okay, so this was the first problem statement, and the winner was ToneTap, which provide the solution that enables quick and easy P2P, or that is peer-to-peer, person-to-person or person-to-merchant payments, with customers making payments by their voice. So without using the mobile phones, they can do the payment. Okay, you can read the solutions easily. I have highlighted the important points, so you can easily read it. Okay, we won't go through each and every solution because that is not necessary, and in the PDF that will be provided in the Telegram group, everything is there. Okay. So this was the first problem statement. The second problem statement was alternate authentication mechanism for digital payments. So there should be some other, usually the authentication happens through the OTP. But what can be the other way to authenticate that the person that is doing the payment is actually the person that has the account or something. So how the authentication can happen? There should be some alternate way also. So the winner was NABARD, CyberSec Private Limited, and the joint runner-ups were the NewIR and the Sparrowtail Technologies. Okay, so the innovative idea was provided by the winner was to activate or deactivate payment credentials with a click on NABARD application. So they said that on our applications you can just click, and through that click you can authenticate yourself. Okay, activate or deactivate payment credentials easily through the with a click on the NABARD app. So they created a solution in such a way. Next payments the problem statement was that the context based retail payments to remove the physical act of payment. So in the shops usually what happened that the payment are being exchanged in the physical form. Okay, so how we can change that retail payments that are happening to remove the physical act of payment, and the winner was ToneTap. There was no runner up, and the winner was ToneTap, and they provided the solution that we can create a virtual area inside the store which can be detected by the customer's mobile phone, and they can easily pay for each and every product. They can pay through the mobile phone. Okay, next is social media analysis. This is the social media analysis is important to see the frauds, to analyze the frauds, to detect the frauds, to monitor the frauds. So the social media analysis, this is the problem statement, that how we can analyze the social media and monitor the tool for detection of the digital payment fraud and disruption, and the solution was provided by the winner was Trust Checker, and the joint runner-ups were EduTap and Lalit Kumar Pagria. So the solution that was provided by the winner was that it provides AI-based solution analysis information from social media platforms to assist in warning. So we can analyze the social media information, and we can provide the warnings to the customers about the potential fraud that can happen through this site. So this was the solution that was provided, that AI-based solutions should be used, and they provided the AI-based solution. So these were the problem statements, these are the solutions, these are the winners, and most important are the problem statements, because these were given by the RBI, so that ideas can be formed on these lines, on these specific lines. And what RBI wanted to achieve is the way forward For the future, there should be innovative products are expected to bring additional benefits in the payments ecosystem, so that more unserved, underprivileged areas can be included in the digital ecosystem. They can be included in the financial ecosystem through the non-mobile payment solutions, through the prevention of the digital payment frauds. Okay, so more people can come into the digital payment ecosystem if the frauds are less. Through smart, secure alternate, and how the frauds can be less through the alternate authentication, not only the OTP, because that has also like become, for the older people, they can easily give the OTP usually. So alternate authentication, how can that happen? As well as timely analysis of social media posts, that how we can analyze the social media to check that how the frauds are happening, which site is good or which site is bad. So such kind of analysis is also being provided through the innovative products. Some of the products also offer a seamless payment experience to the customer. So such kind of products are also there that we saw in the solution. These products have the potential for wider adoption. Okay, they have been chosen because they can be widely adopted and can be integrated with the older system that is already here. So we do not have to remove the older system to bring the new system. These new solutions can be integrated with the existing payment infrastructure subject to compliance with applicable regulatory requirements. They can contribute to the ease, accessibility, security of the digital payments, strengthening the consumer protection that is much needed at this time when the frauds are happening so much, when everything is like there is not much security is there, but the people are not very aware, we can say. So that the customers can feel more protected, the strengthening the customer protection is a major goal of the RBI, we can say. So this is the question for you all, that which among these is not the problem statement, I hope you can easily answer this one now. And these were the people that gave the right answer of the previous session question. It was Vasudha, Bank Story, Vinay, Challa, Yash, Lalit, Vanshika, Ajit, Nilesh, Shushnita and Arvind. Well done you guys, you all gave the right answers of the previous session question. So thank you very much. If you have any query, you can mail us here or you can contact us through this number. Thank you.